Equipment-free workouts are a convenient form of getting fit without using any machines, weights, or, as the name suggests, any equipment at all. You can work out anywhere at any time without any hassles. These exercises are great for a flat tummy because equipment-free workouts train you to use your own body weight to lose fat and build lean muscles throughout your body. However, one thing to keep in mind is that nobody can achieve a flat tummy with only dieting or working out. Exercise and food habits have to be coupled together and balanced with each other to achieve those enviable abs. Furthermore, spot reduction is not entirely effective, and a more realistic way to reach your fitness goals is weaving in specific workouts that target those areas you want to reduce within a holistic workout plan that focuses on all parts of your body. Before starting everything, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And yes, turn those notifications on because you will know that we give you the best advice. Number 1. Plank. The plank is a core stabilization movement which targets all the core muscles and is an isometric strength building exercise. Doing a plank is incredibly simple yet effective. The right way to perform a plank is maintaining a stationary push-up position for the maximum possible time. If you are just starting out, try to maintain a plank for 30 seconds, going up to 1 minute and then 2 minutes. The most efficient way to practice a plank is to hold the position for a minute and resting for 10 seconds before repeating the movement at least twice more. Number 2. Side plank. A major part of flat tummy goals is getting rid of that muffin top. Another version of the plank is the side plank, where the body is propped up on either the right side or the left side of the body, supported by the arms and the legs held for as long as possible. The other arm on the top must be extended upwards at a right angle to the body. Number 3. Dead bug. The dead bug is a unique and fun core stabilization exercise that also stabilizes the back muscles, especially targeting the lower back. To perform this equipment-free workout, lie down and bend your knees so that your feet are flat on the floor. Then tighten your abs and raise your bent legs until your knees are over your hips, bringing both arms up halfway overhead. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg until they are just above the floor and bring them back to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side and perform 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Number 4. Sit-ups. Sit-ups are the most popular and common workout for achieving a flat tummy. It is an abdominal endurance training and involves a basic crunching movement which entirely targets the abdominal muscles. Sit-ups strengthens the rectus abdominis and can be performed absolutely anywhere. A sit-up is similar to the crunch, but they have a fuller range of motion and train additional muscles. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit those notification bell. And we will see you in the next video. Peace.